Hey guys, do you know in India 70% of rural households still depend on agriculture, where 82% of farmers are low income and marginal? So, me and my team cracked a solution for farmers and created an app. Have a look at it. Let me introduce my team. Farmshare Solutions aim to develop an Android application which provides a platform to extend and utilize farming equipment. This app facilitates easier identification of idle equipment and encashing the same. The process of extending farming equipment happens when a farmer uploads the image and information to the app, whereas the other farmer can easily search in the app. This helps the farmer to easily access the information in our app. Hence, our app helps to monetize the idle equipment and utilization of the app as economical as possible for the farmers.
In India, the major occupation of the people is farming, and the primary resource for farming is tools and equipment. So we mainly focus on this problem that farmers are facing to acquire tools and equipment and try to make a suitable solution to digitalize it through our application. Our application connects the farmers all over India, and one can select the farmer who is nearer to him. Farmers who cannot afford buying the equipment will take the equipment as rent, and the farmers who is giving the equipment as rent will also get paid. So in this way, both the farmers are getting benefit. The contact details and days of availability, cost and address and condition of the equipment will be added by the owner of the equipment, which makes it easy to the farmers to choose the equipment. This Android application is user friendly, which can be easily accessed by farmers to fulfill their needs of equipment.
Hi friends, farmers face many problems for acquiring machinery tools for their farm. In manual process, it contains more pain task interest. Most of the farmers can't afford heavy machinery tools for their farm because of cost of expenditure. In manual process, it's very hard to find machinery tools in emergency condition, and farmers will feel pressure of damaging crops and losing time. In the process, without any proper communication with the other person, it may cause getting delay of machinery tools. To manage the machinery after the work complete, it is huge task to the farmers. When they got tools from other third person, the cost of the tools will be increased and increase the burden to the farmer.
Not all the farmers in India can buy all the equipments for farming. Many people cannot afford them, so they try to lend it from other farmers. So here comes the need of our project. Farmers face many problems while acquiring the tools and equipments for their farms. The manual process involves the painstaking trials and error methods like calling on all the known people for checking the availability of the equipment. Most of the farmers cannot afford the heavy equipment because of the cost of the expenditure. In manual process, it is very tough to find the equipment in emergency time, so they will lose a lot of time. So our application can solve all these issues, and there are very less number of applications in India that supports farming, and there are no application that is similar to ours.
The current features of the app include add equipment, search, and review. In add equipment, the farmers can easily add their equipment to the app, whereas the farmers can easily search in the search option and even can give reviews to the app development team. To get the best customer experience for our app, we made our app simple and user friendly. The application is built in Android Studio, where the front end is built in XML, where the back end is connected with Firebase, which is also known as Google Database, and the middleware is connected with Java.
To work on display notification to the user when they add their favorite equipment. Our long-term goal will also include online payment with different payment options. We will want to work on providing weather report, which will help them to get information on basic daily living. We want to introduce regional languages in the app so it may help them to understand easily. We are working on to develop voice assistant in the app. It may clear the doors very easily. We are planning to combine with the machinery companies to rent the tools for farmers in a reasonable prices.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching this video.